Today I'm here to show you the 2256B Woody Spa Table. Comes standard in a 4-inch super plush padding. This table is going to be perfect for you if you're looking for a white salon top with a really unique, beautiful base design with this wood paneling. And it's a one-piece top, so you don't have these different moving pieces, and your linens will lie really nice on top of it as well. That you're able to raise the back of your client for added comfort. This table has a really beautiful wood paneled base design in a scissor leg form. Comes standard with a couple of wheels built into the table, so it's really easy to move around the room if you're working solo. It includes a paper roll holder. It has this built-in face cradle, so you can do any of your services face down without having to add an extra face pillow. It does include the hand remote, and there's an optional foot control as well that you can add on.